Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. So right now we want to know whether Instaforex $500 bonus is real. If you can trade, if you trade with it and make profits, if you can be able to withdraw the profit you have made so far on the account. All right. Before you start trading on the account, or maybe you have made profit so far on the account and you are going online looking for an honest review whether the $500 bonus is real or not. All right, just listen to this review. Listen to this review so you will not waste your time trading on $500 bonus that is not real, or after making profit you are expecting to withdraw your profit. All right, just let's dive into Instaforex account. Let me explain everything for you in details. Make sure you watch to the end, because at the end you have to make your own decision. All right, nobody will make the decision for you. You will make your own decision at the end of this video. It's very important you watch from the beginning to the end of this video. I will show you that the account is real for you to know that is Instaforex account. So look at it. This Instaforex account, I have $55.71 on the account currently. So this is the money I have on the account, $55.71. All right, let's just go into details. Okay, this when I started trading on the account. Look at it. This is a startup bonus. Insta startup bonus, $500. All right, so I traded on the account, make some profit loss. These are real big losses, small profits, big profits. So this, okay, I traded on this account on are you seeing the date of the trading? 12th 7th, right, on the same day. So at the end of the day I was able to close with $91.7. This is a profit I make so far on the account. All right, I make $91.71 profit on the account, and here is the startup bonus. So I don't want to continue trading. It's okay, since I've made $91.7. Let me opt for a withdrawal. So before I withdraw, let me go to my email, because they sent me, after I reached this $91.7, I received an email from them. All right, I received an email from them. Let's go and open the email so you will see what's on there. Okay, here is the email. They say, dear client, hurry up to get the highest bonus on deposits. Only 6 days left. All right, congratulations again on successful trading on your account. We would like to remind you that we credited the highest 110 bonus, equal to the deposit amount for clients who receive profit and deposit within 7 days. All right, they say that the deposit 110 bonus equal to the deposit amount of any client. Any amount you deposit, they will give you 110 bonus of the deposit. So if you deposit $100, they will give you $110. That means all your money will be $210. All right, any amount you deposit, they will give you 110 bonus of the amount within 7 days. Okay, for you to see that the account is real, this is your trading account with Instaforex, the login details that I have shown you guys on the MetaTrader 4. All right, so this is the login details. This is how it will come up. This is how your login details will come up if you have the account. So based on what they told me, they said that I should deposit and I will get 110 bonus of every deposit. So since I received the email, I decided to deposit on the account. Right now, today, I deposited $86. This is the amount transferred to the account. All right, I transfer this money to the account, and the traders from bonus deduction. This is the profit that I made so far. They deducted it. Look at it. It's now minus $91.7. They deducted the profit, and they cancelled startup bonus. They cancelled their startup bonus, and the 110 bonus that they promised that they will give me if I should deposit based on the email we read. So startup bonus, 110 bonus. All right, I deposited $20.85, and they gave me $22.95. So any amount you deposit, they will give you 110 bonus. But mind you, it's just bonus, it's not withdrawable. So they gave me the money, I trade on the account, and today I was able to make profit. Look at this, the trade that I have opened so far. All of them, they are in profit. Small profit, small profit. I don't want to risk too much. You see it, just make small profit on the account. And at the end of the day, I make $11.90. This is a profit I make so far on the account. All right, and the deposit is $43.81. all right, this is the sum of money on the account. So this is a profit that I make so far on the account. Look at it. So after I traded on the account, and I make $11.90 and the $43. So the sum of money here is $55.71. all right, this is the profit I have made so far on the account. So the question now is, can I withdraw this $55.71? all right, since they have cancelled my bonus, they have cancelled my profit. It's not even my bonus, my profit that I struggled to make. They cancelled it, and they gave me a startup bonus with my 110 of my deposits. So I want to go and withdraw this $55.71. Let's go and withdraw the money. Yeah, we are now on Instaforex platform. If you download their app, this is how it will look like. All right, this is how their app looks like. These are their apps. Their app look like. All right, if you download the app, this is how it looks like. So can you see that? This is the exact money we saw on the MT4 platform. Are you seeing it? So let's go and withdraw. So okay guys, let's withdraw our money. What we have is $55.71. Okay, I put that $51.71. They say that we can withdraw $51.71, that we can only withdraw 26.53. Okay, let's go for 26.53. 26.53. It's loading up. Just wait. It's loading up. Okay, here is the money to withdraw, $26.53. This amount here ought to withdraw. Okay, the debit amount 26. Okay, just listing up here, they say that bonus to be cancelled. If you withdraw the money you deposit, all right, they will cancel the bonus. $22.95. And the funniest part of this is that I make $11.90, roughly $12 as profit. All right, so I am supposed to be having $31.2. all right, if I should sum everything up. But look at what I have here. Are you seeing what I have here? I have 26.53 $53. That means the profit that I make so far, these guys divided it with me. They divided my profit because I have their bonus here. So are you seeing it? There is nothing to hide here. There is nothing to hide here. So question is this Instaforex $500 bonus, is it real? Is it legit? Can you afford to take the risk? I don't think there is any need of convincing you. You have already seen everything. For me, it's just a scam. They are only trying to lure you into their sites. That's what they are trying to do, and for you to deposit your money. And from everything, it's not good for you to trade. Just forget about it. It's not real.